Today I plan to explain this word supposed to. Was, were or base from word be. Say this to talk about a plan that didn't happen. Sometimes we plan to do something and some reasons we might not do. We may not doing it at that right time. So that time we can use this word supposed to. Sometimes we plan like we plan to meet someone and some reasons you may not meet as you planned. You can't meet at that right time. So next day when you meet that person you may say like this, we were supposed to meet yesterday, but so I couldn't. I couldn't do that. I couldn't meet because of some other work. That is how we can use this word. Supposed to mean something that you planned to do and it may not happen. That is how we consider. That is what it means. Example, you went under the ring. You were supposed to go through the ring. He's telling to the lion, you came below this ring. You should have gone through this ring above, like inside this ring. This should come, but it came under this ring. It's telling that you supposed to go through the ring, but you went under the ring, below this ring. Something that you planned, and according to your plan, things won't work and it may not happen as you planned. Supposed to, that time we can use this word supposed to do, but it may not happen at that right moment as you planned. Go to the meeting. I planned to go, but I didn't. I was tied up. So this person planned to go to the meeting, but as he planned, he didn't go to the meeting. He didn't go to attend the meeting because I was tied up. He was busy doing something. He was tied up means busy doing something, some other things. He is busy with doing some other things. Because of that, he didn't go to attend the meeting as he planned. His plan got failed now because he was busy with doing other things. So his plan didn't work. So he's supposed to meet, he's supposed to attend the meeting as he planned before, but it didn't work because he was busy. We were supposed to finish this last month, but it's still not complete. So these people plan to finish some work by last month, but still they have not completed it. Still they have been working on that thing. What thing, don't know what work, but it's been going on. Some work has been going on. It's been on progress. Still not yet completed. They were doing that plan. Still they have been doing same thing. Still it has not completed. That is what it means. We were supposed to finish. These people talking each other or with someone, but we were supposed to finish this last month, but it's still not complete. Last month only they should have completed, but still work is going on. Still they have not completed. Still that work is on progress. I hope you understand this word, how to use supposed to. We plan to do something, or we expect someone to do something. Some reasons it may not happen as we planned. So that time we use this word supposed to. Supposed to go to the park yesterday, but we were supposed to go to meet someone. We were supposed to go to the a different place. We were supposed to go to the Delhi, but some reasons our children supposed to go to the school by 8 o'clock. Some reasons they didn't go because they were not well, they were not feeling well, so they didn't go to the school today. They're supposed to go by now. They're supposed to go by 8 o'clock, but they were not feeling well, so they were at home. They didn't go to the school. That is how we may make sentence using this word supposed to. I hope you understand this word. Thank you. Bye. Bye.